Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can turn your passions into profit in 2025. You don't need a huge following to make your mark. In fact, you don't need any followers at all. We're talking about tapping into that fire inside you, that thing that gets you up in the morning, and turning it into a source of income. That's right, we're going to unleash the power of your passion and turn them into pure profit. This is about taking control, becoming the master of your own destiny, and living a life most men only dream of. So buckle up, get ready to ignite your potential, and let's get started. First things first, we need to identify those passions, those burning desires that light you up. What gets you fired up, man? What makes you feel truly alive? Don't overthink it. Grab a pen and paper right now. Yes, right now. I want you to write down 5 things, 5 passions that make you feel excited, engaged, and ready to conquer the world. Maybe it's fitness, maybe it's cooking, maybe it's collecting vintage comic books. Whatever it is, write it down. No judgment here, just pure, unadulterated passion. Now here's the key. Choose one of those passions and create a short, engaging post or video about it. Share your knowledge, your enthusiasm, your unique perspective, and then hit publish. Don't wait for perfection. Just take that first step and put yourself out there. Now, let's talk about turning those passions into profits. And for that, we're diving into the world of TikTok shopping. That's right, TikTok is not just for dancing teenagers. It's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need fancy equipment or a warehouse full of products. Grab a few items from around your house that relate to your passion. Love cooking? Showcase those high-end knives. Passionate about fitness? Show off your favorite workout gear. Go live on TikTok, share your knowledge, your enthusiasm, and watch the magic happen. People buy from people they connect with. So be yourself, have fun, and watch as your passion translates into profit. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sean, this all sounds great, but what about time? I'm a busy man, and I hear you, but let me tell you something. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So, here's your challenge. Commit to posting at least 3 times a week. That's it. 3 times a week, show up, provide value, and connect with your audience. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect video, because it will never come. Just start, and I promise you, the more you post, the more you'll learn, grow, and see incredible results. Chapter 4, offer massive value. Now let's talk about the heart of it all, value. In this noisy digital world, you need to stand out. And the best way to do that is by offering massive value to your audience. Ask yourself, what can I offer that will truly benefit others? Is it a product, a skill, your expert advice? Whatever it is, make sure it's something that genuinely helps people solve a problem, achieve a goal, or enhance their lives. Don't be afraid to share your knowledge, your expertise, your unique gifts with the world. Remember, the more value you provide, the more you'll attract the right people, build a loyal following, and ultimately turn your passion into a thriving business. Chapter 5, embrace setbacks like a champ. Now look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The road to success is rarely a straight line. You're going to face challenges, obstacles, maybe even a few setbacks along the way. But here's the thing, setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities for growth, learning, and resilience. So when you hit a roadblock, take a step back, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to come back stronger and even more determined? Remember, every successful entrepreneur, every leader, every game changer has faced their share of setbacks. It's how you respond to those setbacks that defines you. So embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward with unwavering determination. Chapter 6, Unleash the Power of AI. Now, gentlemen, we're living in an incredible time, a time where technology is evolving at lightning speed. And one of the most powerful tools at our disposal is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we do business, and it's time to harness its power to skyrocket your success. From social media marketing to content creation to data analysis, AI can automate tasks, personalize experiences, and give you a competitive edge like never before. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a tech wizard to leverage the power of AI. I've created something special for you, a free ebook called The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. Let's take a step back and dive deep into the core of who you are. What truly ignites your soul? What makes you feel alive and excited about life? This isn't just about finding a way to make money. It's about aligning your passions with your purpose. Think about the things you love to do, the things you're naturally drawn to. Maybe it's woodworking, writing poetry, or coaching a local sports team. Whatever it is, write down your top 3 interests. Now, here's the key. Brainstorm ways you can turn those interests into content or even a business. Don't limit yourself. Think outside the box and explore all the possibilities. Remember, the world is your oyster, and your passions are the pearls waiting to be discovered. Now let's talk about turning those passions into tangible results. Because without goals, dreams remain just that, dreams. It's time to set powerful, specific, and time-bound goals that will propel you forward on your journey. Think about what you want to achieve in the next 3, 6, and 12 months. Do you want to launch your own online store, build a community around your passion, generate a specific income from your side hustle? Write down those goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Celebrate the small wins along the way and stay focused on the bigger picture. Here's the thing about the journey to success. It's not always going to be smooth sailing. You're going to encounter challenges, roadblocks, and maybe even a few detours along the way. But here's what separates the winners from the rest: the ability to learn, adapt, and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress. What's working? What's not working? What can you do differently? Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, to step outside of your comfort zone. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, and so should you. Embrace change, be open to new ideas, and never stop learning and growing. We've talked about a lot today, from identifying your passions to leveraging the power of AI. But none of it matters if you don't take action. That's right, it's time to turn knowledge into power, to turn inspiration into results. So here's your challenge. Commit to one new habit this week that brings you closer to your goals. It could be posting regularly on social media, learning a new skill, or networking with other entrepreneurs. Remember, the smallest step in the right direction can lead to the biggest breakthroughs. So don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, or the perfect circumstances. Start today, and I promise you, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Gentlemen, it's time to unleash your full potential and create a life most men only dream of. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So, are you ready to level up and turn your passions into profit? Download my free ebook, Edge, at theultimateguidetoAI and digitalmarketing.com and start your journey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on turning your passions into profit. I'll see you at the top.